I use a cleanser or face wash? Ever felt lost between a facial cleanser and a face wash? Are they same or different? Let's find out. Face washes and cleansers are both effective at cleaning your face, but they have different purposes and textures and are better suited for different skin types. A cleanser is made to purify, hydrate, and soothe your skin. So, cleansers are gentler and better for dry, sensitive, or mature skin. Cleansers come in creamy, milky, gel-like or watery texture and are good for removing makeup residue and other impurities. While as a face wash is designed to deep clean your pores and remove dirt, oil and other impurities, face washes are often creamy or lather when applied to damp skin and are better for oily combination and acne-prone skin. So a face wash is specifically formulated for deep cleansing to remove dirt, oil and impurities from your skin surface, and it commonly has surfactants which create the lather when you mix it with water. So face washes get into your pores, keeping out all the gunk, debris, extra oil and even that makeup. If you have acne-prone skin, face washes have salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide that can help you control the breakouts, or benzoyl peroxide that can help to prevent breakouts. And if you have oily skin, face washes wipe out the excess oil from your skin. Now here's a pro tip. If you want to use both, you can use cleanser in the morning and targeted face wash at night for effective cleansing. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.